Welcome to Investor Web. Today we are going to be looking at 5 online businesses that can generate passive income for you. Number 1. Blogging. Picture this: a business where you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month, but where you don't have to ever deal with some of the most pressing aspects of running a business, like demanding customers, unreliable employees, inventory hassles, malfunctioning equipment, or high maintenance costs inclusive of renting a premise. This is a type of business where you don't need any education, licenses, or experience to succeed. Literally, anyone has the potential to make money in this business. By just sitting down writing an article about a topic that they are knowledgeable and passionate about, and with Google you have all the information you need a font away. The best part about the blogging business is that once you have written articles that are generating traffic, you can sit back and enjoy the passive income that comes from all of the work that you have put in. All you need to get started is a computer and an internet connection. You can build your blog website for free using platforms like Wix.com or WordPress.com. If you want maximum flexibility and money-making potential, you will want to spend a little more money up front to get your own domain name and find a hosting provider that offers reliable and fast hosting services. One of the best places to get a custom domain is Namecheap.com. If you want to get good hosting for your website, visit Cloudways.com. With all that, you will be spending less than $150 a year. So what do you need to do to become a successful blogger? Well, first of all, you have to begin by doing some solid keyword research. This is finding topics that can generate traffic and rank highly on Google search. In the blogging business, the more traffic you get, the more money you make, because advertisers will pay you based on how many people see their ads. You'll also want to write engaging content so that you can have readers spending more time on your blog. This way you can beat out the competition and take the coveted number 1 ranking on Google search results. If you want to learn more on how to do all of this, I will soon write a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start a blog from scratch. Leave a comment on how soon you want that to be. Number 2. Amazon FBA. What is Amazon FBA? It's a program that allows regular people like you and I to start selling products on Amazon, with Amazon handling the fulfillment of orders, hence the name FBA, which in full stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means that once you have the product in their warehouse, when a customer makes a purchase, Amazon handles the receiving, packaging, and the shipping, customer service, and returns for those orders. Your job is on the front end. You need to figure out the right product, find a reliable supplier who will provide you with the products at a price that will generate a profit for you. The best items are normally high-ticket ones. You will need to set up your Amazon storefront and then optimize your listing to make it stand out with the right pictures and keywords. Setting up your Amazon FBA business is going to be a lot of work, but like many of these other online businesses, once you've done your homework and made arrangements to get your products delivered to the Amazon warehouse, you get to enjoy a good passive income. Because the day-to-day operational hustles are generally handled by Amazon, all you will have to worry about is netting in customers. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another online business concept that can generate passive income for you. The method is simple. You are basically a salesperson for a particular service or product, but instead of calling people up, you sell the product online. How you do this is you find a product that you want to promote and contact the company that sells the product. If they have an affiliate program, you apply for it and get a special affiliate link for that product that tells the company that the customer came from you, and when someone comes to a page that has your customized affiliate link and they click on it, you earn a commission if the person buys the product. One common method of affiliate marketing is putting the affiliate link on your blog or YouTube channel. You can use social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there because it's great for beginners and they have easy qualification requirements. Amazon is a highly trusted platform for customers who buy online. There are many other affiliate programs out there. Just Google any product or company you want to promote and add the words affiliate program at the end. You'll find that there are many which already have affiliate programs in place. All you need to do is apply. You can find tons of affiliate programs for your affiliate marketing business through platforms like CJ.com, ClickBank.com, and Rakuten.com. Number 4. Become a YouTuber. If you prefer expressing yourself through video rather than writing, then you can become a YouTuber. It does not cost much money at all to begin. If you're on a tight budget, all you really need is a decent phone to record videos. Posting videos on YouTube is free and you pay nothing to have them hosted on the website. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google with billions of views every day. As for how much you can make, that will depend on a lot of factors, including how many views you get and how much advertisers are willing to pay to get slots on your videos, which depends highly on the type of content you make. But even before you get there, you will need to get at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before YouTube can accept you in their partner program so that you can make money from the ad revenue. All you will need to do is be laser focused on creating great content, create clickable thumbnails, and have compelling titles. If you get those 3 right, then the results will be rewarding. Number 5. Selling online courses. Become a teacher providing online courses. Another way to generate passive income online is to sell online courses. If you have expertise in a certain field and you can teach, then you can start by recording a simple online course that you can sell on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable.com, and many others. It will take some time and effort to create the course. I have seen simple little courses that only last for 30 minutes or so on Skillshare, that are popular and have tens of thousands of customers. You will need to provide real value in your courses, so make sure they are packed with useful information and they are presented in a clear and professional way. There are tons of tutorials on how to do this on YouTube and Google, so take time to enhance your knowledge with the information that's out there and start generating some extra income. If editing is a problem, you can hire a professional to shoot and edit for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps out a lot and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and until we meet next time, have a productive week.